Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 8th to 12th of September. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold, and this analysis is a top-down analysis from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame. And in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide now those possible entry levels. Now the key levels to take trades for the coming week are highlighted in 4-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame. I'll be pointing out the candlestick patterns. I'll be looking on the trend lines, and also I'll be counting the waves. So under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide the possible market move on gold in the coming week. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and remember, this analysis is just a continuation of what we had in a previous analysis, as we highlighted the possible of buyers holding the trend. So it has been now 2 weeks, so we highlighted the possibility of buyers holding the trend. So exactly that is what we see. It has happened in monthly time frame. So we see now the August candlestick was bullish, and even the September started with a stronger bullish momentum. So this is just exactly continuation. So actually we look closely here and find that now we had this level where price was rejecting now several times. Now we have seen now around 4 months back, price has been rejected to the downside. So the August candlestick successfully closed within a zone. Now it closed within a zone or a level. So now this marked the beginning of continuation of price to the upside. So this means that from the battle that was happening previously, so buyers won, and therefore we expect that price will remain to the upside for some time because this zone was stronger. At the same time, if now we go into bigger picture, you will realize that we had this upper channel, and we're expecting that price is going to respect this upper channel. Okay, but what we see currently, price is penetrating into the channel. So this is possible because sometimes now price may throw over. That means it move above those levels, and sometimes may happen to the downside whereby price may throw under. It can move outside this channel and then it will come back into the channel. So this is possible. So what is happening here? Basically, we expect this might be a throw over. Okay, straightforward in weekly time frame. Let us see what is exactly happening in weekly time frame. Okay, fine. Yes, so we are back. Okay, so now looking closely in the weekly time frame, now we can see price has successfully built 2 weeks candles now above the zone. We can count this one, but at least the previous weekly candle penetrated into the zone. So actually currently price has successfully closed above. So it was very hard to decide what is exactly going to happen when the price was here previous week, and now this is because it was exactly at the zone where it can bounce or break. So after the current move, now the weekly move, so we are sure price is up, and we may expect now the direction is getting more clear this week than what was in the previous week, even though we had a general projection of a possible buy, but actually market is more clear for the coming week than how it was for this week. Okay, so we had these two levels, and price is already above. This indicates that we are full to the upside. Then in daily time frame, what are the key things here? Yes, the daily time frame is just more clear with the levels. Now the horizontal levels of support, of resistance that have turned into support. So actually with these two levels, price is expected to continue pushing to the upside, and it is trending now. It is in a trend now whereby the current trend in this time frame, we can have this 1, 2, the current move with the possible 3. So we'll be expecting for the 4th wave now now next week. So we'll be expecting for the fourth wave. Now this is an overview, but in lower time frames we'll understand exactly what is expected, but now in daily time frame at least we may have this understanding. And if you go and check on the previous week analysis, you'll realize that the analysis highlighted about this level of correction and this level of correction, these were very key for us to decide a chance for a possible buy, and that is exactly what happened. So in 4 hour time frame we can see those drawings. Yes, this is the 4 hour time frame, and we see exactly these drawings that were presented now 2 weeks ago. So we had this as an indicator of completion of bigger correction, and then we had the next one, which was the smaller correction, which was now, which is just in the second wave of this internal wave move. So now what is exactly happening now? Price is in formation of the third wave, and now during formation of the third wave, we expect now it may be extended, so it might be hard sometimes to recognize whether correction is on or not. So now what is happening here currently, we'll be waiting until we see a clear correction. So we'll be waiting until we see a clear correction that is expected to end up around these levels here, and actually yes, exactly this one, and it is less likely to touch this one. So in most cases it may hold here because price is in a stronger buy momentum, so corrections are going to be shallow. So that is the overview on what we expect. So now exactly how are you going to next week? Okay, so next week you will be watching for possible buy opportunities after completed an expected correction here to around the levels of 3,500. So in most cases 3,500. So after this has been done, so we'll be buying now to the upside, and those targets are variable. We do not have those previous levels of support and resistance, so you'll be just buying and protecting your profit whenever market moves into your direction or into your favor. So you'll be taking the buys every time, and updates will be provided on our website at www.asamforex.com. We'll be updating for the possible and take profit levels, but in most cases focus on possible buys around 3,500. Thank you for your time, and do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and share this analysis if you think there's another person whom can feel this one very useful. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.